Let's try to find the derivative of the given function z cubed plus 2z squared minus 5z minus 7 using the rules on differentiation. Let us say this is our given function, okay? F of z is equivalent to z cubed plus 2z squared minus 5z minus 7. If we're going to talk about the derivative of the given function with respect to our z, it's basically the derivative of the given entire polynomial function. You have here z cubed plus 2z squared minus 5z minus 7. There are rules that we need to follow here, especially for the sum and difference of functions, where we can just simply distribute that d of dz for z cubed plus d over dz respect to z for 2z squared minus d over dz for 5z, and you have minus d over dz of our constant function 7. By the way, we are applying here the rules of differentiation step by step. Okay, you can also attack it immediately together with some important concepts. We'll have that later on as well, but allow me to do it step by step. First, here is the derivative of this form. We have z to the power of n is equivalent to n times z n minus 1, being n is equal to 3. Next here, plus, you can take out 2 as constant, right? Remove that 2 constant, then you will have here the product of, derivative of our z squared here is actually your n times your z n minus 1. Sorry, it's not n. Basically, I'm saying n, but n is 2 minus 1. Here, minus, you take out here 5, and you will have here z is actually 1, your n is 1, times z to the power of 1 minus 1. And the derivative of a constant is, of course, 0. This is equivalent to 3 z squared. You will have here plus 2 times 2 is 4, z to the power of 1 minus 5, and z to the power of 0 is just equal to 1. So we'll have here 5. This is the derivative of the given function using the rules of differentiation. But of course, if you would like to attack it immediately, okay, our function again is z cubed plus 2z squared minus 5z minus 7. Your first derivative here, okay, automatically attack the equation. You have here 3z squared plus 4z minus 5. Okay, using all those rules that you have learned before in the calculus. I just showed you here the previous method using the rules on differentiating complex functions, so you can always have something to return to if you are confused with your processes. Thank you very much for watching.